Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video I'm going to show you how to bake these shortbread date squares. Start off by preheating your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Put the butter and the sugars together in a bowl and cream this until it's nice, creamy and light in color like this. And then add in some vanilla extract and flour and mix this together until crumbly. Then put your mixer to one side and use your hands to form this into a ball. Take a little more than half of the mixture and then put it on the bottom of your tray and then spread it until the bottom of the tray is all covered. Bake in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes until it's slightly golden brown on top. Then get it out of the oven. Just leave it for about 5 minutes to cool down a bit. And then put your filling on top and then just press it down. And then if you want, you can add more than one filling. I'm going to make half of it dates and then the other half raisins. And then crumble the rest of the shortbread mixture on top. Bake in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes until it's nice and golden brown. And then remove from the oven and cut squares while it's still hot and leave to cool completely. I'm going to remove one and show you what it looks like. The bottom is nice and golden brown and the top is nice and baked through. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.